Remove the lid from the cup holder and unscrew the two screws underneath. Use a pry bar to pry open the rear air conditioning panel. Unclip the 3 clips at the back of the panel, one by one. Remove the trim strip, then remove the 4 screws at the top left and right behind the panel. Pull the cigarette lighter socket outwards, and unclip the fiber optic connector. You don't need to remove the cigarette lighter clip. Remove the panel. Remove the 2 screws on either side of the rear unit. Remove the main unit and unscrew the 2 screws at the bottom rear of the unit. There is no need to remove the screws on the left and right. Unplug the power lead from the host. Unplug the USB charging port. Pull out the clip below. Lift the saddle upwards and pull it backwards. Remove the 2 screws on the left and right of the front unit. Remove the power supply, the mains plug and the blue video cable from the main unit. Be sure to disconnect the fiber optic cable from the power plug. Connect the vehicle's original power cable to our power cable. The fiber optic cable that was unplugged is connected to our power socket. Connect the vehicle's original video cable to our video cable. Plug our power cable and video cable back into the main unit. Pass the cable through from below and place the module at the very back. Then simply put the items you removed earlier back in place, one by one.